Make sure I get a good even amount on both sides. I be feeling like one side of my hair got more hair than the other side. Is that just me?
South Carolina, South Carolina, South Carolina, in South Carolina, South Carolina, South Carolina.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, but I am back with another hair video. So before I came back, I asked you guys, what videos do y'all want to see? Hair videos, cooking, business, hygiene, hauls, all that good stuff. And the top voted video was hair videos. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my high puff. And it's going to be easy. I'm not defining my curls. I'm not doing a wash and go puff. I'm just going to simply do a puff, okay? Later on, I will show y'all how I do my defined curled high puff. But today, we're just putting this bad boy up into a puff, okay? So y'all already see my hair is in this afro state. So the first thing I do is moisturize and seal my hair. So I'm going to take my 𝚈𝚘𝚾𝚃 moisturizer. And I'm just going to apply this all over my hair. Just to moisturize it and give it some shine. I don't like a dry puff. Then I'm going to apply my Palmer's Cocoa Butter Spray Oil. And apply that on top and seal in that moisture. Now I'm going to take my spray bottle and I'm going to dampen around the front of my hair and the back and the sides. I'm going to take my favorite gel, and that is the Wetline Extreme Gel with the dark blue top. And I'm going to take quite a bit of this and apply it to the front of my hair, the sides, and the back. Then I'm going to take my brush and brush my hair up. And this brush that I'm using, it does have hard bristles, not soft, and that's because when it comes to catching my hair up, in order for it to lay flat and sleek, it gotta have hard bristles. Soft bristle brushes, it ain't cutting it for me, okay? Not with my natural hair. So now to create the high puff, I use a string out of my jacket, and I'm just gonna take that and tie that around my head. Like so. And I'm just gonna slightly push it up. And then I'm gonna start tightening it. So once I get my puff high enough to where I want it, I go ahead and I take the string and I just tie it around my puff, and I just tuck the ends to hide it. Now I'm going to take some sideburns, just a little bit on both sides. Make sure I get a good even amount on both sides. I be feeling like one side of my hair got more hair than the other side. Is that just me? I'm also going to take some hair in the back as well. So what I'm going to do with the sideburns is just dampen it. Let me get a little close so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay. So I just dampened it. Take a little bit of gel. Rake it through. And then twirl it, or shingle. Is that what they say? Shingle. Dampen it. Take some gel, rake it through, and then twirl. Same thing for the back. Dampen it. I already got some gel on my fingers, so I'm just going to twirl that. Same thing over here. Rake the gel through, and then twirl that. So I got my little side curls going on and my little back curls. Now, as far as the puff, I pretty much just play with it, fluff it out, shape it to my liking. I just keep doing this over and over, pulling it out, kind of scrunching it as well to shape it. That's how I do my high puff. Here's a little 360. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. We are on the road to 10K. We are so close. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to me. Thank you for all the people who have stayed subscribed to me. I promise y'all I'm back with content. I've just been going through a lot off camera. And y'all know I dip in, I dip out. I'm consistent, and then I go ghost, then I come back. Y'all already, if y'all been here for a while, y'all already know how I do, okay? So I'm not on here 24/7, but when I'm on here, I try to provide the best content that I possibly can for y'all. Y'all just gotta bear with me. I'm getting older now. I'm knocking on 30. I'll be 28 in December. And the older I get, I'm starting to become a little bit detached from social media. If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all know I haven't really been active on my business nor my personal. Okay, business is still going, still getting orders, still packaging the orders. I just don't post content like that, y'all. But I'm gonna try to be more consistent with all of my social media. Sometimes it just gets tiring, okay? So I just wanted to say that because I'm pretty sure y'all probably was like, well, why did she just up and leave for 2 months, you know? But that's pretty much that. We're back in business, okay? More hair videos, more cooking videos, more business videos, more hygiene videos. All that good stuff will be coming very, very soon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video like I said. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.